Guys, Truck Guru here, and pretty cool package came in the mail from Banks. It's my 2017 Duramax L5P tuner. Any of you guys out there with the L5P, it's been kind of a trouble issue to search and find something that is going to give you those horsepower gains that you can get from all the earlier models. Well, Banks has been working diligently for the past few months, and they came up with the solution. This right here is the Derringer unit, part number 66582. It costs about $449. And I'm going to open up this box and check it out and show you guys what's inside. So right here we have the control module right here. And again, this hooks up directly to your OBD port. Very, very easy to control. Very, very unrecognizable if you guys are going to take it in to get a warranty issue done at your dealership. Inside the box, there comes a lot of wires, obviously, to hook up for your temperature control, things like that. Everything is very, very neatly done. It's all heat shrunk, wire loom. Everything is well put together. Again, it plugs directly into your guys' factory OBD port. So that's a pretty cool little feature. And what comes with this, and I chose, is the iDash unit. This right here is the 1.8-inch iDash unit, and it goes directly into your pillar. I got the pillar unit from Banks, and what I'll do is I'll be replacing my factory driver's side pillar with their pillar. And it'll house this 1.8-inch screen, which is the display screen, so I can monitor and change functions as I drive. Again, it just comes with everything nicely done in the box. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty excited to get this on the truck and see what she can do. It's going to add over 60 horsepower and over 112 foot-pounds of torque, putting the already impressive L5P Duramax to over 505 horsepower and over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. So I can't wait to get on there. I'll show you guys when I get it done.